that has to be machine learning. I mean, everyone's doing machine learning these days. Yeah, actual probability of getting a job in that though is questionable. I think
Okay.
everyone in CSC is doing machine learning these days. Yeah, yeah. The mass mentality is to do machine learning because there's a boom, but I don't think without prior experience in machine learning you can actually do well and get a job. And so it's difficult without some research papers or some really solid thing. Okay, so you have to take 30 credits over for each department it's separate. For us, it was 30 credits over 3 semesters. You had to take four subjects, that is 12 credits each semester. But you could apply for course load reduction due to, I don't know, academic difficulty and take 3 subjects. So basically, it's 442 for us. Unless you apply for a course load reduction, that becomes really hectic typically. So you usually apply for like 2 really heavy subjects in the first semester with programming stuff, and then you apply for 2 light ones or 1 medium, 1 light, depending on how much you think you can manage. But yeah, don't go for too much heavy stuff. And I think there is a CSC guidebook you can find online. I can pull that up later. That should have details of all the subjects along with suggested course. Mandatory courses are core courses. Like you can pick any one from 5 in like the
Okay.
core. So 1 from 5, 1 from 5, 1 from 5 or 4 course. Yeah, you have to take one of them and you have to score at least, I think it's a B plus. Uh, the best professors are like rated super high on Rate My Professors. So yeah, you can take Dimitrios Konstantinopoulos' networking class. You can take um, Professor Varun Chandola's classes. You can take Professor Ethan Blanton's classes. They're really good. Uh, yeah, in the computer science department, that is. You can just look up Rate My Professor, and that gives you a really good idea of how good or bad they are. That would be Professor Chandola, but I think he doesn't teach in your first semester here. That was the problem with us. And if you want to continue taking like higher level ML courses, you need to start from your first semester. So there's this person named Dr. Sagar Srihari who teaches machine learning in your first semester here. I mean, he's really experienced and stuff, but he's a really bad teacher. So yeah, that's one of the main difficulties of pursuing a machine learning interest in UP.